Hello sayangku Lam. Hey, look at this girl. Look at her face. I will miss you Lam. Halo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Animals Lovers 19. This little kitty's channel. Look at her. She's sad cause just 2 days, 1 day and 2 nights. Today, tonight and tomorrow, and the next day I will go home. I'm going to leave her. Look at the expression, she's very sad. Look, the sad expression. Do you know? Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, oh no, not happy. Every time if I say I go home, she will so overreact, like not happy. I know. Okay, I'm here with you. Oh look. Not go home. I'm here with Lam. Keep Lam a companion always. No? I'm here with Lam. This pretty girl. This princess. The princess. Oh, look. Oh. No, I'm stay for you. I feel sad. She's understand. Look at the face. She's not happy. Hey. Lots of her videos. Look. Oh. I love you, Lam. I love you, big kitty. Hey, kitty. Lam, kitty. Kitty. This princess. Hey, Princess Lam. Princess Lam. This lately she's very upset because I will go home soon. That's why she's very upset. Sayangku. Look at this sayang face. Hey. Oh, sorry. I'm here for Lam. I'm here for Lam. Look. She's here.
Meow, hello.
No pinchy.
You go back home for Amy to Indonesia, okay? Then every day you eat chicken and fish and veggies and white rice, like a little cat princess.
And chili.
Not every day just cat food. You don't even like cat food. Give you diarrhea. You live in Indonesia for 1 year, then you will never have diarrhea again.
Yes. Look at her face.
Okay, Amy, then bring you to Indonesia. Then you can live with your 2 other cats.
Yes.
But she just might not love you as much as she loves
No.
them.
Don't say that. Look at her hand. Hold my hand. Hey.
Naman, you go home with Amy, then you will never have diarrhea again. Never.
Look at, she's so sad.
Then you'll love the fried chicken. Indonesia is the best fried chicken and the best fried rice. If you go there, I would go there instead of you. If I could, I would go to Indonesia. Because I want to eat nasi goreng. Oh, there's already 1.4k view and
Which one?
1.5k view. Your one only 1.4 views. So funny, eh? Yes.
How many subscribers?
Oh yeah, and there's on 1k views.
How many subscribers? You can check the high views. You can see how many
Here, this is the
subscribers.
analytics.
Yes.
Wow.
4.
Wow. Plus
And
4. Ew.
the highest one.
Oh, let's see this one. Ooh.
1.
And 1. Nice.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay. No.
And this one?
Plus
4.
Wow. So amazing.
This is about what?
Lemon little kitten card.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, 19 subscribers.
Wow, so fast. Increase for in a few days,
Yeah, it's
19.
yesterday, yeah.
Yeah, see? Just keeping doing and upload more.
Today? How many is the most subscribers you got in 1 day?
It depends how high your viewers though.
No. For you.
It's deep and
No, like the
sometimes only
most-
1.
No, like
The highest one?
no, which like the highest one in 1 day.
The highest one in 1 day?
Yeah, 100.
No. Impossible 100.
Hey,
If you
possible.
got 10, that is very high already. Look, she's hold my hand. I think tonight she's going to sleep with me. She's already say yes.
Meow. Oh, stop biting your own paw.
She's already yes. Amuya, what are you doing?
What?
Can you like this, Amut? We disappear that red packet.
Bye-bye, disappear.